with you.
Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's coffee time here in the UK. If you guys don't know me by now, my name is Fabio and I'm originally from South Africa. I've immigrated here to the United Kingdom. I'm 31 years old. I am a college dropout. Maybe that might surprise some of you, but nothing surprises me nowadays. I hope by now that you guys have stopped doubting in your ability to accomplish your dreams and your goals. Because, like I said, I'm a college dropout. When I came here to the UK, I didn't have much qualifications or skills. I had some background, some qualifications, but I mean, not a degree. I don't have a degree. And I also used to be like you, some of you. I used to doubt myself, doubt my ability, doubt my skills. And I used to suffer from that imposter syndrome. And that's okay. I guess that sort of like pushes you forward in some ways, but at the same time, it causes depression and anxiety. And I'm just here to tell you guys that you are good enough. You need to start believing in yourselves, and you need to accept the fact of the matter that you will never ever know everything. Nobody, and I don't think you'll ever be good enough. Just think about it. Will you ever be good enough? Because there will always be someone better out there. So if you ask yourself this question, am I good enough to start a business? Am I good enough to do this job? Question this, will you ever be good enough? Because there's so many people out there, and I think people are just getting better and better each and every day. So I think there will always be someone better out there than yourself, and then you just have to accept that. So start believing in yourselves. Start believing you can do what you set out to do. Reach for your goals. Reach for your dreams. You guys are capable. I'm human, just like you. We bleed the same. Out of the ethnic background that you come from, whether you're black, white, pink, colored, mixed race, that's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. What matters is your ability to accept some things are the way they are, and to learn and be confident, believe in yourself, learn and move forward. This is the most important. So, like I said, anything can be learned, as long as you're confident. If you practice it every day, like if you code every day, you practice every day. I'm telling you now, like only 2-3 hours a day is enough, and you'll learn that skill quickly. So for all the youngsters out there, and even older folks, anyone, doesn't matter which country you come from, which background, that's all irrelevant. Anyone can learn how to code. Anyone. And yeah, it's not easy. And look, yeah, it's not easy. So yeah, I hope my tutorials and my online courses help you guys out. They are for free. I'm still considering if I'm gonna make my courses online for free, because I mean, that's a lot of work. I'm putting a lot of work into the course content, so it's sort of not fair towards me if I'm gonna make it for free. So I hope you guys understand that. But I will consider your background. Like I said, I'm from South Africa. Like if you're from a poorer region, or if you came from how can I say, unfortunate background. I'm willing to consider giving my course content for free, no problem. I understand. So look, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Close to, I've put out something like 175 videos so far, if I'm not mistaken, or 176. Yeah, it's quite a lot of content. And like I said, I wanted to quickly update you guys on what I've been doing this past week. Busy with some online courses through Coursera, SEO, search engine optimization courses. I'm trying to improve my SEO ranking on Google, because apparently my SEO ranking is not very good, but I've got quite a number of views, which is great. And I've got quite a number of subscribers, and I really appreciate it. Thank you guys, I really do appreciate it. That's phenomenal. And yeah, guys, this coffee is good, man. These lattes, it's not coffee, it's, yeah, iced coffee. Caramel latte. See? Check it out. Right, so I've got wonderful course content coming your way. I'm gonna still put it on my website. I haven't finished my course content. I'm trying to improve on the quality of the course content. Sometimes I feel like I'm not a, I also get that imposter syndrome. I feel like, oh, I'm not a good enough teacher, or, I'm not good enough to teach these courses. Don't you ever feel like that? But I think I'm going to improve on my course quality, my content quality, and I hope you guys find it immersive. I hope you find it engaging, and yeah, I hope you guys learn a lot from it. It's mainly based around project building, because that's how you learn programming skills or coding skills, by building projects, because that's what the companies are going to be expecting from you. Companies like such as Google, Yahoo, you name it, the biggest tech companies in the world. Project-based learning, that's the kind of skills that they need. They need people that can build apps in 2-3 days or a week, and they need people that can push out quality code. Right, so guys, I hope you like this video, and yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. You guys are fantastic, because I've already got over 1,000 subscribers, and I've got over 2 million views now, thanks to you guys. So you guys are awesome. And for people back home in South Africa, how's it? Hoe lyk het daar? And yeah, thanks for all your support from all over. I really appreciate it. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are fantastic. You guys are awesome. Please believe in yourselves. Don't doubt yourselves. You guys can do it. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.